the woman face of that region. When you say Biafra, when you say Ojukwu, now Bianca. Because Ojukwu is late, but that Bianca represents Ojukwu. You now wear a put for your government. What are you trying to let us know? Say that now you are dismantled Biafra? It's not possible. Biafra will still come to pass. We have been saying it for a long time that you see when we say Biafra, in the first place when Tinubu came, you see there's a problem before Tinubu came. In the eastern part of Nigeria, you see they are the really heartbeat of Nigeria. They are really economized men in Nigeria. Without the Igbos, Nigeria is dead. You can see through the 8 years of Buhari, Nigeria was nowhere to be found because the Igbo race was neglected. And now people now came. Okay, now brought a young man from Kenya, kidnapping from Kenya down to Nigeria, put inside incarceration. Till today, no peace in that environment. Every day sit at home. Okay, now you now appoint the woman face of that region. When you say Biafra, when you say Ojukwu, now Bianca. Because Ojukwu is late, but that Bianca represents Ojukwu. You now wear a put for your government. What are you trying to let us know? Say that now you are dismantled Biafra? It's not possible. Biafra will still come to pass. They are still strong and stronger. You understand? The reality is that you have to go and release Kanu first before you do anything that people will crap. Release Kanu. When you release Kanu from detection, they will pitch the environment here. People will be happy. You understand? Movement will come. See, the eastern part of Nigeria is the strongest part in Nigeria. They are the strong men. And they, see, in Lagos State, now everywhere now there. All the shops are there. All the markets are there. See, in Nigeria as a whole, in the whole world, you see, you now leave those tribes outside the corner. How are we going to survive? You can't survive it. That's why the problem is here. And for Bianca is for me, it's a betrayal. No matter the brainwash, he betrayed his people upon all she has acquired in the name of that region, in the name of her husband. Use her husband name, her husband capacity, her husband wealth, her husband influence to be somebody that she is today. When you mention Bianca, everybody struggle. You understand? That respect is too much. But now, do not downgrade that respect to the last level. It's shameful to her. I will say it's very shameful because I will never accept that type of appointment. No matter how Jewish, how lucrative it is, how much are you still looking for? For your age, for your time, your husband's dream has not come to pass, and now it's like they give you a knife to stop the dream. Wow, it's bad. Bianca, you failed the test to the Igbo race. You see, you can't divide the Igbo race because it's too late. It's too late because that actualization of Biafra must come to pass. Because without coming to pass, it will not be a good environment for Nigeria to live together. Because except you appoint Bianca, release Kanu, will not be Kanu. We release the Kanu. Peace will reign in eastern part of Nigeria. And in the generality of Nigeria, there will be harmony. There will be a big harmony, a big welcome development. But not giving Bianca an appointment and you leave the main issue. What's the main issue? The Kanu. Every day, every Monday, sit at home. Did you know how much the government of that area works? You know how much they're supposed to give to the federal government that they lost? And now you are not sweeping that up under the carpet. You are not bringing things that will not even bring any meaningful achievement. You are not appointing Bianca. So I'm sorry for that appointee. It's a ridiculous. It's a brainwash. That's why we say this government does not really know what is happening to Nigeria. What is happening to Nigeria is different from what you are doing. You are appointing people in the sense that they will like you by fire, by force. You want to divide the race. It's not easy to divide. So you can't divide them. So you have to unite them. United will stand. Divide them will fall. Unite them will be a big beneficiary than divided them. It's like this language now is a division. It's a division now. When you now bring Bianca to the scene of the government, the foreign affairs minister, okay, now she will be responsible of going all telling the whole world about your government, about the goodness of your government. When down home, these people are in bondage. They are in incarceration. No movement in that area. No federal government present in that area. They are limited from the house of the government. Why? is a taboo. For me, it's a taboo. For majority of Igbos, it's not a good omen. Their ear is not happy to hear Bianca, a whole Bianca now a foreign affairs minister under Jagaba. Where are we going from here? It's not going to bring the light at the end of the tunnel, because that agitation, it must still be there. Because first, Nnamdi Kanu, release Nnamdi Kanu, then you can appoint whosoever you want to appoint. Not appointing Bianca and leaving Kanu there and say peace will reign. How will peace reign when the lion is in the cage? You have to let the lion out and play the lion and say to us, what's the real thing? Let us sit down and solve the situation together. See, there will be a solution in that aspect of language.
But do you think that Tinubu appointed her because he wants to get votes for 2027 election there in the southeast?
You see, 2027 is very far away. Now, where is the vote? If in 2027 should come in this situation, there is no one vote for him. There is no one vote for him because Nigeria is tired of buying or selling their rights. When you don't sell right for a long time and you are not seeing anything, at the end, you are caged. You are caged and you are safe. You don't have anything to eat, you don't have anything to drink, you don't have anything to wear, you don't have work, you don't have anything. So you have to check your mind and stop the negative. See, I don't even think that they will reach 2027 because of what is happening in Nigeria. Can NNPC stand up yesterday and say, fuel is now 1,000 plus? Nigeria Petroleum Corporation. Did you imagine that? Okay, you want to say Nigeria should be dying between that now to 2027 and they should not kill in their back? It's impossible. See, appointing Bianca will never give him vote. That one is a negative ideology. Negative. If you release Kanu and let everybody go along the line, they can give you vote.
Well, do you not think that she has the fame, to give Tinubu what he wants? Do you think that with Tinubu appointing Bianca that at least it will still give him that leverage in the southeast?
You see, giving him leverage in that southeast, I don't think it's going to be possible, because the really issue is the really issue that is down. You see, that issue has already generated in the whole world. In the whole world, any country you reach, there is a Biafra matter that is stuck in there. So it's growing. See, the tree is like this tree. It's growing branches. So there is no anything that you can do about it. So appointing Bianca will never stop the growing of the language. You understand? You see, Bianca, before you know it, I don't think Bianca will stay there more than 3 or 4 months, because fire will burn am. He go resign. She go resign when fire dey hot her. She go resign when you don't hear words. When you don't hear words, where you live, your people are not happy with you. You can't continue. You will say, I'm sorry. You will resign. Go and watch it and mark my words, because it's too big. That position is an enemy to the reality of Biafra. And you are the wife of the one that superhead, that established, you understand, that brought what we call let us go, Biafra Republic. So now you are now in enemy camp as a minister of foreign affairs. Don't you see their wages? And one is going to hide that one. The one of the iteration of Biafra is higher than the appointment of Bianca. So appointment of Bianca, it will never do them right. It will never do them right. It will give them more problematic problem. So they have to give up the language or give up that appointee. Straight appointee or screaming or giving out the certificate does not stop the movement of Biafra.
But do you think that she come and said that she's going to work with Tinubu? Is she not rejecting her people, rejecting the Biafra?
You see, that language, I'm telling you, that language is like a betrayal, a stab to the back of the people that have been with her for a long time. You know how long the late Ojukwu has gone, but she is still relevant because of her husband agitation. Because they now believe child grow generation. They are now wild in that atmosphere, and now you now back them. It's a betrayal. It's a betrayal. It's a stab to the back of the Biafrans. and they will never take it lightly with her. I know, inside 100%, maybe only 5% will say, okay, you can't give any reason of accepting it. There is no reason because you have gained a lot. Now you want to carry the gain to the other camp. It's not possible.
But do you think the husband will be happy with her? The husband?
In the grave now, the husband is crying, why will you do this to me? He's crying in the grave. Odumeju is crying in the grave right now because it's the highest betrayal on the land. It's a bad, and it's very bad. And I know she will realize there's a room to resign after 2 or 3 months. I'm sorry, Jagaba, I can't continue this anymore. My husband is crying in the grave. I'm hearing the cry, so I have to leave this post. This post is not for me.
In that position, you see, I'm not lasting.
She will never last for that position, because that position is like the wire round. She don't consult the reality consultants. It was brainwashed and not accept. It's a game of control, and that game is bitter lemon. So
Okay,
bitter lemon.
Thank you very much. Has given them 24 hours to vacate. That is Biafra land. Has given Ozodima and his men 24 hours. But do you not think they are doing their job by trying to secure life and properties there in the southeast?
If Ebubago were doing their job, someone could not have condemned them. If Ebubago are doing their job, someone could not condemn them. Because someone is looking for any avenue to defend the people, indigenous people of the land. Then if Ebubago is defending the indigenous people of the land, which is part of someone Ekpa program, someone could not have gone against them and tell them to evacuate. Do you understand? So Ebubago are the insecurity in Biafra land, southeast. Ebubago are the murderers group instituted by Uzodinma and the former governor of Ebonyi State, Dave Umahi. But whether Ebubago like it or not, one day they will come to an end. Like the talks or non-government, the late Ifanyuba organized. Someone talk.
But there were local vigilante trying to save life and property for the people of Nnewi.
If they are local vigilante trying to save the property and the business of Nnewi, why are they killing? Why do someone tell them to stop? And why can't Anambra State government sponsor them since Ifanyuba died? They are Ifanyuba boys.
I declare them illegal security outfit.
Are they registered? Because Ifanyuba take his position as a
Senator,
Fulani, not ordinary senator, Fulani government agent, Fulani government of Nigeria agent, who helped them to kidnap Nnamdi to give him free hand to be operating. Now, Ifanyuba have died. And nobody was able to sponsor his unknown government. All of them quench. So it will happen to be bad. Because I'm sure no government in Imo State will take over tomorrow and sponsor Ebubago. Ebubago are criminal death squad against the indigenous people of the land. They are murderers. And those of them is a vampire, blood sucker, sucking the blood of the people of Imo State with his Babylonian government. A state of Chibo and also a state. Let me tell you the truth. The only state in Biafra land or southeast that you can take to compile what is going on in north is only Imo State. The insurgency, killing, kidnapping, raping. That's the only state you can take to compile the north, Imo State. Because of devil incarnate sitting on the throne.
Well, in the last 2 weeks, we've seen the killings in Anambra and it's getting worse than that of Imo State.
The killing
in Anambra is even worse, far worse than that of Imo State. In the last 2 weeks.
That one is Soludo problem. Soludo problem. Why should we come out and be bragging? Since Senate said that if he wasn't able to stop Monte sit at home, there be no more security allocation to the governors, Nigerian governors from that area. Because of that security fund or allocation, he jump out, rising up. Then people show him that the power is in their hand, not in the hand of Soludo. Soludo is an individual. Democracy is power to the people. And now people have started telling him that power is in our hand. We can do undo with you. Do you understand what's happening in Anambra?
So now, him declaring Ibuago illegal, outfit, security outfits there in eastern part of Nigeria. Ekpa. So do you not think that the BLA is enough? They are enough, to secure the lives of the Biafrans there in South.
That's exactly what you are seeing. If it's not a Eastern Security Network, Biafran Defense Force, and the others, I think Fulani could run over, Fulani herdsmen could run over the whole Biafran land, both south and southeast, because that's their target. Therefore, don't finish everything. This one you are talking bandit to take army barrack in Zafara. This is bandit, Fulani herdsmen, Boko Haram have taken over the whole land, have taken over the whole family. Yes. Have taken over the whole family. Yes. Not only army barrack or police barrack, but they have taken over the whole family in south.
Now, you have already said December 2nd, there will be declaration of Biafra. Nothing like that. Nothing will come out. So let it not be doing like Nigeria. Let it say the reality. Where the God of the land can honor the Bible stay. For me, I will not condemn it. Where I will say they should go, where my nation Biafra have come, that is where Obibagu will be at over there. But as of now, we are answering Nigeria. Obibagu will stay. So I will not condemn it. I don't have the power to condemn it. So if someone did not have the power to condemn it, it is only the governor have the right to condemn them, not I, not Samuel Ekpa. For what Samuel Ekpa said about Obibago in the Southeast, well, as of now, we are calling it Southeast, not Biafra. Because the group the group are fighting for the liberation of Biafra. So as of now, it's Southeast of Nigeria. Because they are still using the Naira, not other currency. And he himself cannot stop them. It is the government who stop them, not he himself. So, not he himself will be giving Obibago 24 hours to be out from there. No, it can't work. I'm 100%. Because it's still the certain Eastern Nigeria. Unless you are using your currency, that is why we know say there is full Biafra nation. But we are not using the money. We are still using Naira. It still be under Nigeria until the nation say Biafra have come to stay. That is where the order will be taken. So now, are you saying Obibago will listen to Samuel Ekpa? Or someone else will say the judicial, Obibago give them 72 hours to vacate. Who are you? Yes, he have the mouth to say, to fight for the freedom, but not in action. We need something in action, not using mouth. For me, it's using mouth for fighting for the freedom of Biafra, but not with gun, not with weapon, not with its only mouth. So I welcome him for that way. I give him 100% for that way. But there's other things he's supposed to do. Telling people to be out. They cannot use mouth and pursue them out. They cannot use mouth.
So what will he, if he doesn't use his mouth, what will he use?
They cannot use mouth. They can't use mouth. So he's using mouth to be giving order. And which it cannot work. No, let me just tell you. People that say sit at home, I call them. They say why they are saying as that sit, they obey sit at home. It's fear. If it is not fear,
They will not obey anything. They will go back to the normal work. Okay, you need a nation. You need a nation. You see people that come out, you kill them. Is that how it's supposed to be? No. You kill them. That's protocol you put, the law you put. Okay, let me say, in Lagos State here, some of environmental, once they capture people on the road, what do? Did they kill them? They take them to prison, to court. This is what you do. This is the way you're supposed to do. Take them to court or put them to prison. Let them serve. If the nation have already been a real nation, that is where the power, whatever he said, will work. But as of now, it can't work. 100%, it can't work. That is not really working. I tell you people that ammunition say you people go to lunch, nothing like launching of ammunition. It's film show. Film show. I call it film show. 100% film show. And which he said, no. It's film show. Now, he have already said December 2nd, there will be declaration of Biafra. Nothing like that. Nothing will come out. So let him not be doing like Nigeria. Let him say the reality. Where the God of the land can honor, where the God of the land can give respect, where the God of the land can protect. Let him not do like Nigeria, where the leaders are not telling the people that the followers truth. If the leaders are giving the truth for the nation of Nigeria, Nigeria will change. It is the leaders who change Nigeria, not me and you. So you be over there, let him use truth and follow. The God of the land of Biafra need truth, not lie. He need truth, not lie.
In the southeast, because they said it was formed by Uzodinma and Umahi, you know, when Umahi was governor. Do you think that?
Obibagu just be like Omoteko of
Local vigilante.
Of Southwest. Yes, the governor, that's one that formed the Obibagu. They have the right to form it. But if they form it, they're doing the right thing. Glory be to God. But if they're doing the wrong thing, it is there I will not support. Because I will support where they're doing the right thing, where they're protecting people. If they're not killing people, if they're protecting people, it's good. But if they're killing people in wrong way, it's not good. I'm here. I'm not there. I don't know what people do. If people do good, so let Abubagu stay. For me, I will not condemn it. Where I will say they should go, where my nation Biafra have come, that is where Obibagu will be act over there. But as of now, we are answering Nigeria. Obibagu will stay. So I will not condemn it. I don't have the power to condemn it. So if someone did not have the power to condemn it, it is only the governor have the right to condemn them, not I, not Samuel Ekpa.
So, they will use your own thing to lobby you. The same oil and gas go one sell out to Cameroon in Bakassi. For me to block us. The same oil this current government is using to buy arms and ammunition fighting against agitators, promoting insurgency in the north, taking money to go and negotiate with the bandits that made them to have upper hand now, capturing army barracks. The step Samuel Ekpa is taking is completely right. If you watch, it is the same this oil and gas that the one use sell out to block Biafra, and because of this oil and gas that make Britain to come out to pump and play, to come out to fully to back Nigeria under Gowon against Biafra. And it is the same oil and gas that make Britain don't want Nigeria to break up to today. Do you know that oil and gas is part of the thing that make NATO and America to back Ukraine against Russia? because they feel if they fall out with Russian oil and gas to Europe, then they will lay pipeline from Biafra land across Morocco to Mediterranean Sea to Spain, so that they will take oil and gas from Biafra, mostly gas, to supplement what they will lose from Russia. That's part of make them confident to be fighting the war. And the construction of that oil gas pipeline is on now. Tinubu signed it. I mean, Buhari signed it. Then Tinubu start executing. Understand? And if you come, I think no part of Biafra land call themselves southeast that do not have oil and gas. I think last year or last 2 years or toward the end of Buhari regime, gas was located in Enugu, where a high institute, high education, we are digging borehole. After the borehole pumping went more than 1,000 meters in the ground, gas burst out, flaming, burning. It was supposed to be delayed at that time. Do you understand? Eh? Okay. They went and called an NPC to come and check whether there's any gas pipe pass through that area. And then please bring their map, bring surveillance, do everything. Say no. That no oil pipeline, gas pipeline pass over there. That is natural gas coming up. You don't have oil and gas. Anambra have oil and gas. Akwa Ibom has oil and gas. Rivers, Bayelsa, they have. Edo has it. Delta has it. All the whole part of South is oil and gas. No state that don't have it. Ondo have it.